In this short video, I am going to explain time signatures in music. So using this common chart for breaking down our different types of music beats, we can use this to help us also understand the numbers in a time signature. So starting at the top here, we have 1 whole note or semibreve, 2 minims or half notes, 4 crotchets or quarter notes, 8 quavers or eighth notes, and 16 sixteenth notes or semiquavers. Of these, we will primarily come across 2, 4, and 8 in our time signatures. Now, this number stands for or represents the number of beats that you see it equate to here. So 2 for minims, 4 for crotchets, and 8 for quavers. So of the two numbers that you will see in a time signature, such as 2, 2, the top number always represents how many beats in a bar, and the bottom number always represents what type of beats they are, which is in accordance to the chart on the previous page. So 2 was in the place for minims. So that means we will have 2 minim beats in each bar in the time signature 2, 2. Let's look at another example. Say we have the time signature 3, 4. Well, the 3 on the top represents the number of beats in a bar, which equals 3. And the 4 on the bottom represents our crotchets or our quarter notes, which means we will have 3 crotchet beats in a bar. Of course, they don't have to be exactly crotchet beats. We could have 3 lots of quavers, or we could have a minim and a crotchet, or any other kind of beat, as long as it adds up to a total of 3 beats in each bar. Time signatures such as 2-4, 3-4, and 4-4 are all very common, but out of these, 4-4 is particularly common, so much so that it can also be called common time and can be represented with a C in the place of 4-4 at the beginning of the music. You may also come across the time signature C with a line through it, which stands for cut common time, which is 2, 2, or 2 minim beats in each bar. Common time signatures with our eighth notes or our quaver notes in each bar are 3, 8, 6, 8, 9, 8, and 12, 8. You may notice that these are all grouped in threes. So our quavers or our quarter notes can be written individually with a small tail, but they can also be beamed together, sometimes in twos, but in this case they will always be beamed together in groups of 3. So to recap, our time signature will always be made up of 2 numbers, and we always read these top number to bottom number. Make sure we don't say it as a fraction because it's not maths. The top number always tells us how many beats in the bar, and the bottom number always tells us what type of beats they are.